Hey everyone, welcome back to I Want That, where we explore the latest trends in technology and how they're transforming our world. Today we're diving into how artificial intelligence, or AI, is already changing the way we travel, often without us even noticing. Let's explore 10 surprising ways AI is making travel smoother and more enjoyable. AI algorithms analyze your travel history, preferences, and reviews to suggest destinations, hotels, and experiences tailored just for you, making the planning process easier and more customized. Ever notice fluctuating prices when booking flights or hotels? AI uses complex algorithms to adjust prices in real time based on demand, weather, and even local events, helping companies maximize their revenue and sometimes allowing you to snag a great deal. Hotels are getting smarter with AI. Voice control rooms allow guests to adjust lighting, temperature, and even order room service just through speech, all powered by AI-driven systems like Alexa and Google Home. Airports are increasingly using facial recognition for quicker and more secure check-ins and boarding, streamlining security processes and reducing wait times. AI-powered chatbots on websites and in apps can provide quick answers to travel queries, offer booking assistance, and even handle customer service issues, available 24/7. Some airports have introduced AI-based robots that can manage baggage handling, reducing the chances of lost luggage and speeding up the process of getting your bags checked and delivered. AI is used to predict when parts of an airplane need maintenance or replacement. This predictive technology helps avoid delays and cancellations by keeping planes in top condition. AI helps in managing traffic flows in real time by analyzing data from cameras, sensors, and GPS units. This technology is crucial in reducing congestion and enhancing safety on busy travel days. In some cities, AI-driven autonomous shuttles transport passengers between terminals, hotels, or nearby attractions, providing a glimpse into the future of driverless travel. AI helps optimize routes for flights and cruise ships to reduce fuel consumption, leading to more sustainable travel options that minimize environmental impact. As we can see, AI is not just a futuristic concept, but a present reality in the travel industry, making our experiences faster, safer, and more personalized. What's your take on AI in travel? Have you experienced any of these technologies firsthand? Drop your thoughts and stories in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in to I Want That.